Beauty doesn't fade, it evolves. Today, we're celebrating radiant skin at any age with a micro-glow routine designed for mature skin. Start with clean, hydrated skin. I use the e.l.f. Thirst Burst drops, following up with e.l.f.'s Woe Glow sunscreen with an SPF of 30. It has a light, beach like scent without being overwhelming and gives a natural looking sheen to the skin without looking sparkly. The under eye area needs special attention. Aquaphor's lip balm doubles as an under eye moisturizer. Instead of using a heavy foundation, I'm only going to conceal the under eyes with a creamy concealer from Fiera. Next, I'm following up with a pink brightening concealer in the inner and outer corners of the eyes. This one is by LA Girl. Creamy products blend seamlessly into mature skin. A touch of coral or pink blush with highlights brings warmth and light to the skin. This one is by Wet n Wild. To anyone who struggles with thin brows like myself, e.l.f.'s Clear Brow Lift Gel helps give them definition. To further accentuate the brows, L'Oreal's infallible Faux Brow pen mimics the look of microblading in just a few strokes. To smooth the face, I'm loving L'Oreal's Blurfection Pink Brightening Face Powder. For a fresh, everyday look, I sweep a soft beige or blush pink into the crease, blending it gently towards the brow bone. Then I tap a subtle shimmer onto the center of the lid to add a touch of glow. Black eyeliner is too stark for mature eyes. More flattering options are blues and browns. Bronze is an excellent option for the lower lash line and is universally flattering. Mature lips need extra hydration. Maybelline's Teddy Tint gives a natural look and feels plush on the lips. This is today's hero product. To lock everything in, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible's 3-second setting mist. Full disclosure here, I'm 58 years old and this is my natural hair color, enhanced only by a few highlights. To give it a little extra magic, I've been loving L'Oreal's Le Color Gloss. It adds a soft, flattering lavender sheen that makes my hair feel luminous and fresh. Here's the final look. Now with glasses. And now I'd like to share one of my favorite inspirational quotes from Eleanor Roosevelt. I hope this video sparks something useful or inspiring for you. If there's a topic you'd love to see next, drop it in the comments. I'm always listening and I'd love to create it for you.